This 2025 CrossRoads Redwood 415RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 44 feet 10 inches in length and features a white mahogany, sage interior, sleeps 6, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, LP detector, spare tire kit, water heater, external shower, leveling jacks, slide out, smoke detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Redwood 415RD is 18,069 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.